Alright everyone, I'm here with another layout. And my background, of course, is going to be Basil cardstock. What deal? We've got a chair all tore up over here. Don't you put your claws in there. No. Coco, stop. Stop licking your paw. Stop. The pollen is so bad here. She's allergic to pollen, apparently. Because her fur is getting blotchy again. She loses hair and spots. Oh, nope, I was wrong. This is the layout where I'm like, Argh. I was getting frustrated because they weren't coming out straight. See, I picked up my phone. I was like, oh, I'll do it after this. So that holly leaf layer is Marry Everything. All the paper is used here is Marry Everything. And these pictures are, I think, did he get his, I think, I bought him board games. Because I asked him, I said, if you could get, I said, you know, I said, there's a little boy your age, and I am donating Christmas presents to him. We have to buy some Christmas presents for him. I said, so he's your age, so if you were that little boy, which board games would you want? And he's like, this one, this one. So you want to help me pick out some board games for this little boy? Because it's on his Christmas wish, and he doesn't have parents who can, his parents can't buy him presents. And so, I mean, I purchased them right there with him. Yeah. And then he opened up, he's like, I got the same board game. I forget, what did I say? I think I told him that it was Johnny was his name or something. Or Billy. I don't remember, but because he had asked me, what's his name? And Alex is like, oh, you were so bad. I'm like, wow. And let's see. Oh, so this is 2016. So this is the, I got him board games and DS games in. So chipboard stickers are from the December 2019 kit Make-A-Wish. Let's see here, and then the penguin. Oh, bow, present, and decorations are all Make-A-Wish from 2019. Okay. And so, yeah, that 2016 is also I was like, please tell me that I put a 6 out of 9. So that is from Hipkit Club's Marry Everything as well. I'm just trying to figure out what else. so many embellishments for this year's Christmas kit, and it's like, oh my gosh. I run out of papers before I run out of embellishments, and I have so much money. And I need to find someone I can donate them to, because I literally cannot fit any more stuff in my leftover stuff in my drawers. So, and I'm trying to let it Guess Who, because the game he's holding up is Guess Who. So I titled it Guess Who Got a Gift. So the Guess Who is Merry Everything Puffy alphabet stickers, and then Get A is Merry Everything Puffy alphabet stickers as well, and Gift is American Crafts Pasture stickers. Hey Sabrina, what you doing? Come back to the window? Okay. So you're out and about, and Dio's curled up in the bed. I've never had a cat whose eyes match her fur. I mean, I've never seen a cat with orange, because she's an orange tabby and her eyes are orange. Hey Sabrina, kitty kitty. I mean, her eyes are gorgeous. Oh, what'd you say? How would you say? Winking at me. Oh, I hear my cardinal out there making all kinds of racket. Good night. Oh, I need to open my blinds. I don't have it open. That explains why she's in my window. And so now I'm just trying to figure out, what do I do? And I really want to put that candy cane somewhere, so I put it there, and then I'm like, no. I'm like, no. And that's the most sticker that I used. And then I'm going to use these phrase stickers, which those came in this current kit, yeah. And it's Pretty Little Studio Christmas cheer. And that concludes my mail. So when I have more, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys.